All right, good afternoon. Wednesday, February 17th. All right, so red day. Started out losing a trade and just the rest of the day trying to recover that. So I got two good trades in after that. Um, couldn't do it live back at work, so just on and off. Let's go over the trades and then this is not bad. I think um, totally preventable. Went for a trap. I think I'm going to stop going for traps for a while. Okay, all right, so let's take a look at what we did. So we took one there, one right here, and one right here. Actually, a pretty eventful day. There's a couple trades that I couldn't get it in on time. There was one that I literally have to restart my machine to get Ninja Trader going again. But looks like the after hours, it actually went back to the previous day high, which is good. Okay. Here's the first trade. There were two or three that I tried to put it in, but then I was just too slow and I didn't want to chase it. But here it is. So the overnight low is down here, and then the overnight high is way over here. This is before I restart. So there was a down channel. I, I I don't remember what it's like. It's been all morning, but anyway, there was a big down channel. I believe I connected to something like this here, and then this one was way down here to capture a really big channel. But anyway, so we hit a double top right here, hit a double top, and then came down, came back up, rejected EMA, came down, ticked back up, and somehow I was so sure that we're going to retest the low. So I put a trap, right? So here's the basically here's the first entry. Okay, so it ticks back up. Here's the second entry. People like us, and a lot of people would think that, hey, you know what? It pulled back now. It might resume the uptrend, right? And so I put a trap right here, and it did tick down, and then it ticks down with, just one more, and then starting going back up again. Um, At that time, this channel was not there yet. So right off the bat, I was down $150, right? So the best case scenario for the day is basically down about 12 bucks, right, for the commissions. Um, but so really have after that, you really have to keep your heads in the game, right? You don't want to just go crazy and say, you know what, I'm going to try to recover. Still hold my limit. Actually saw this one. Saw this one right here was about to take it because first entry short, second entry short right here, right? And then at that time I already got this channel. It's actually up here. That's the third time it touched that, but I decided not to go for it. I should. I think that's a pretty good setup. By now you pretty much established a range, right? It's up here. I true that, but you can pretty much say, you know what? Today is a range day of something like this. By that time, it's pretty clear that it's just pretty choppy. So that would be a pretty good place to fade and go down. Well, it's not really a fade. You will have a second entry going down as well. But anyway, come down, make a double top right here, came down. First entry, recheck, right? Well, actually, I took a short right here. So it got rejected here, got rejected here, right? First entry long, first entry short right here, came back up, got rechecked, and then my order is actually right here, but it got filled two ticks below where it needs to be, and we barely got enough and then it went back up. Right, so this one is a second entry as well here, second entry long here as well, but I did it because it rechecks the EMA. And you know, I think during the video you might see it. I actually measure and make sure that I have a enough to down to this line right here to get it. We did. We got two more, technically three more, but because of that. So that one's good. And then okay, come and go right here. And then just starting to go uptrend here. I didn't think about any trades here. Just an uptrend, just uptrend and continue to move up throughout the day. But right here is make new high, right? Just barely double top. I mean first entry, second entry, got in right there. Pretty scary. I put my stop right here, which is $200. Right? By now I'm down $100. So $200. Put it right here. This thing, as soon as this thing closes, this thing pretty much dropped right back here, and it's pretty painful to watch. So came back here and then quickly bounces off and then tried to come back a little bit. But then as soon as it came back that second time, I had to run to a meeting, so I just let it play out. We did get it, okay, and then didn't see. I was pretty much gone for the most part all the way until like right here. I saw this particular one, but couldn't get it in on time. It just ran really fast on me, so I couldn't get it in. I was gonna take this one, first entry, and then the same bar creates the second entry. Um, that one, there's another one somewhere right here. So again, when I um, transfer the profile from one machine to the next, sometimes the candle doesn't match up 100%, but this one right here is the one that I missed. I looked at it, but somehow I just couldn't see it. You got one leg down, right? And then first entry is actually, yeah, this one wasn't even there. It didn't even take down, but first entry right here, and then this one was a really nice pin bar, green pin bar right here for a second entry, but I didn't see it. Afterward, I looked at it and I'm like, oh wow. But there you go. So 2 out of 3, right? Um, really have to be disciplined on days like this where you open with a loser and just trying to, um, you know, keep things under control and don't have one of those like negative $900 a day like we did 2 weeks ago. Um, that one takes a while to recover. But as we go through this, right, we're going to get better and better at reading and picking out these trades. And just like the 10K journey, there's a lot of reds at the beginning, but towards the end, we see one red day out of like every 7 or 10 days, right? So I'm hoping that we're going to be able to get there at some point, and then eventually get to the next level where we trade 2, 3, 4 contracts. But right now, we're trading one contract, and if you're going to make a mistake, this is the time to do it. Okay. All right. So today, negative 61.64. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. And if you like the channel and the content, like, subscribe, and share. See ya.
Order filled. Stub filled. Target filled.